Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can schedule a meeting on a Zoom application for desktop or Windows. Okay, first of all, you can open your Zoom application on your laptop or PC. And if you want to schedule a meeting, you can click on schedule option right here and just wait for a moment. Okay, and here you can start your schedule meeting. You can add topic for your meeting. For example, I'm going to add English class. Then you can set your date and time when your meeting will be held. And for example, I'm going to select 10 of February from 9 a.m. to 10 February 9:30 a.m. Okay, then after that you can select the time zone, and I'm gonna go with Jakarta. And here you can select meeting ID. You can choose generate automatically, or you want to create a personal meeting. If you select personal meeting, you have to set a passcode. Then I'm just going to select generate automatically. You can also add waiting room or not, and I'm just going to add waiting room. Then after that we can click on save to save our scheduled meeting. Okay, and if you want to copy the link of your scheduled meeting, you can go to the meeting schedule right here. And this is for the today's schedule, and there's no meeting for today. And we can click on this next option. This is for the tomorrow's schedule. And this is the meeting that I have just scheduled. And if you want to copy the link, you can click on the three dots button and click on copy invitation. You can also edit your scheduled meeting, and if you want to delete it, you just need to click on delete. Alright guys, and that's how we can schedule a meeting on a Zoom application for Windows or desktop. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.